Good evening and welcome to the second session of chapter 1. In the previous class, we have discussed about content analysis pros. So, that was first part. In the first part, we have discussed about activity 1. First, before making a content analysis, a teacher have to prepare the objectives. He have to make or prepare the objectives of teaching learning process. What are the objectives of teaching learning process? Or he have to prepare the objectives. कौन उद्देश्य रे से टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेसटा करिबो कौन कौन स्किलटा से हासिल करिबा पई लर्नर्स माने हासिल करिवे तांको पई कौन उद्देश्यटा को से आगे प्रिपेयर करिबो देन he have to go through the content analysis of prose. So let's take a topic. The topic is Akbar meets Birbal. You know who was Akbar? Akbar was a Mughal emperor and Birbal was his minister and he was among his 9 gems. So this topic or this prose content is from class 6 My English book. So you must have experienced that this text has been presented with the following 3 stages. In every English book you will find 3 stages. Activity, you can find the activity in the topic, in each and every topic in 3 stages. First is stage 1, pre-reading. Second is stage 2, while reading. And third is stage 3, after reading or post-reading. Each stage contains some activities for the learners. Our सबु stage रे there are sufficient activities or there are some activities for learners. That is not sufficient. You can take more, you can add more activities if you feel that the activities given in the book are not sufficient. Okay? So, remember these activities are not final. You can add some activities in view of the purpose and objectives of learning English language. If you feel that the purpose and objectives of learning English language is not sufficient in the, so you can add some extra activities. Then you can make a content analysis. So let's come to learn about content analysis. So before making a content analysis, you have to read whole text of the topic of the story. From the beginning to end, you have to read the topic, including the exercise before you make a content analysis. Then, after reading or after going through the text completely, thoroughly, you make a content analysis in your notebook. You need to make a content analysis in your notebook. Teacher's notebook, you can say that is a teacher's notebook. You have to make a content analysis in teacher's notebook so that it serves as a guide for you for planning the transaction, and transacting a lesson. You have to before you are making a lesson plan, this will serve as a guide. So you have to make a content analysis in a proper format. you can see the format here. So now see the format here. Now on your screen the format of content analysis is there. You can see there are 5 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. We have 6 columns. First column is name of the text. Second column is number of sense group paragraphs. Third column is main ideas, information. Fourth column is vocabulary and expressions. Fifth column is structures and patterns. Sixth column is functional grammar. So in the first column, name of the text or name of the topic, you can write Akbar meets Birbal. In the second paragraph, in the second column, you make number of sense group paragraph. You find out how many paragraphs are in the topic. Let's suppose you find out that there are 14 paragraphs in the topic. तमें देख लो जो 14 पैराग्राफ अच्छी ताको you can divide the whole text or the whole 14 paragraphs into some sense group paragraph. Here we have taken 3 sense group paragraph. Whole 14 paragraphs are divided or into 3 SGP or sense group paragraph. That means in the first SGP or sense group paragraph, we have first 4 paragraphs. In the second sense group paragraph, we have paragraph number 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the third sense group paragraph, we have para number 9 to 14 here. Then after making sense group paragraph, here you made the whole 14 paragraphs into 3 sense group paragraph. Then in the third column, main ideas or main informations. What are the information from the topic, or what are the main idea you get from the topic? First, you can see in the first paragraph, in the first sense group paragraph or paragraph number 1 to 4, we have main ideas like Akbar's character, what type of person was Akbar, his love for the scholars, about his famous 9 gems, Birbal as a famous gem. These are the main ideas we found in the sense group paragraph number 1. In the sense group paragraph number 2, we can find Akbar's love for hunting, he lost way in the jungle, he met a young man, he sought help to know the road to Agra. In the sense group paragraph 2 or in paragraph number 5, 6, 7, 8, these are the main ideas you can find. And in the third sense group paragraph or paragraph number 9 to 14, you can see what are the main ideas or what are the informations. Mahesh Das or Birbal. Birbal was also known as Mahesh Das, replied fearlessly to Akbar. Akbar was angry. Then Akbar was pleased with his courage and presence of mind. He asked Mahesh Das to come to Agra. Mahesh Das is Birbal. In this paragraph, you have these informations or these main ideas. In the third column, you can make main ideas or information. In the fourth column, you will prepare what are the vocabularies in the SGP 1, SGP 2, SGP 3. in SGP1, what are the new vocabularies or new words you can find here. So in the vocabulary and expressions in the paragraph number 1 to 4 or sense group 1, wise, scholar, gem, sense of humor, these are the new words or new vocabularies you find, and these learners can learn from this sense group paragraph. In the second sense group paragraph, the vocabularies are stare, to hold one's breath, call out, get back, laugh at. In the SGP3, you can see dare, temper, fearless, let one in. These are the vocabularies the children can learn in these SGPs. Then now come to the structures or patterns. तो ले देखिबा एथरे कौन अच्छी ना फर्स्ट एसजीपी रे कौन अच्छी ना कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस अच्छी, क्लॉज पैटर्न अच्छी. सेंस ग्रुप पैराग्राफ 2 रे डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच अच्छी एंड डायलॉग्स मध्य अच्छी. सेंस ग्रुप पैराग्राफ 3 रे डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच अच्छी एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी अच्छी. क्वेश्चन देयर आर सम क्वेश्चंस फॉर एक्सरसाइज. देन column number 6, functional grammar. You can see humor, humorous, use of although, wisely, scholarly, माने adverb मध्य अच्छी, ठीक अच्छी, degree मध्य अच्छी, ठीक अच्छी. अच्छा तापरे सेंस ग्रुप पैराग्राफ 2 रे फंक्शनल ग्रामर कौन अच्छी ना डायरेक्ट टू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच और इनडायरेक्ट टू डायरेक्ट स्पीच. Verb, clause, prepositions are the functional grammar you can find in the sense group paragraph number 2. In the sense group paragraph number 3, you can find contracted form of words. Cannot, can't. Have not, haven't. What is, what's. Fear plus less, fearless. ठीक अच्छी. Then after making content analysis, now with this content analysis, every content analysis तैयारी करी recollect the objectives of teaching prose text which worked out in activity 1. Activity 1 रे आमे कौन करथिले? Activity 1 रे आमे objectives तैयारी करथिले बा उद्देश्य टीचिंग लर्निंग रो उद्देश्य तैयारी करथिले बा प्रिपेयर करथिले. ठीक अच्छी. मे बी द वे यू वर्कड आउट द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स नाउ यू वुड लाइक टू रिवाइज देम इन द लाइट ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग आफ्टर कंटेंट एनालिसिस. कंटेंट एनालिसिस तैयारी करिबा परे यू कैन लाइक टू रिवाइज देम. तमे ताको रिवाइज करि पारो जहाँ तमर उद्देश्य अच्छी ऑब्जेक्टिव्स तैयारी करछ ऑब्जेक्टिव्स अच्छी ताकू इन द लाइट ऑफ कंटेंट एनालिसिस रो माध्यम तुम ताको देखिपार जे सब ऑब्जेक्टिव्स वी आर फिलिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स गुड़िक हासिल होउछि कि ना. हाउ इज दिस कंटेंट एनालिसिस हेल्पफुल फॉर यू इन ट्रांजैक्शन ऑफ टेक्स्ट इन क्लासरूम? Would this content analysis help you in preparing for the class? Think over the issues and do the activities given below. So, how is this content analysis helpful for you? किपरि भाबे यही content analysis ता तम पई helpful अछि बा सहायक अछि in this text of this text in classroom रे किपरि सहायक होबो. Now, would this content analysis help you preparing for the class? Yes. With this content analysis, you can prepare a lesson plan for the class or classroom transactions. Think over the issues and do the activity given below. इटा हैला एक्टिविटी 1 तापर एक्टिविटी 2 रे कौन अच्छी ना हाउ डज द कंटेंट एनालिसिस हेल्प ए टीचर एक्टिविटी सम क्लूज आर गिवन कंप्लीट द एक्सरसाइज कंटेंट एनालिसिस सेल्फ हेल्प इन किभଳି कंटेंट एनालिसिस हेल्प करिवो ना डिवाइडिंग द होल टेक्स्ट इनटू सेंस ग्रुप पैराग्राफ होल टेक्स्ट केते ना होल टेक्स्ट रे 14 टा पैराग्राफ अछि we divide whole text or all 14 paragraphs into 3 sense group paragraphs or 3 periods to complete the lesson. You can say take one sense group paragraph for one lesson plan. ठीक अछि developing a lesson plan for transaction of each sense group paragraph ताले आमे प्रतिटी सेंस ग्रुप पैराग्राफ को नहीं गोटे गोटे लेसन प्लान करें जमी ये 3टा सेंस ग्रुप पैराग्राफ होती ताने आमे यही टॉपिक पई 3टा लेसन प्लान तैयारी करि परिबा 3टा सेंस ग्रुप पई 3टा क्लास नहीं टॉपिक टा को सारी परिबा देन एक्टिविटी 3 यह क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ कंटेंट एनालिसिस वर्तमान तुम पाखे क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कंटेंट एनालिसिस विषय व्हिच इज वेरी मच एसेंशियल फॉर ए टीचर फॉर ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज जोटा वेरी मच अत्यंत जरूरी अच्छी फॉर ए इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज टीचर यू कैन मेक कंटेंट एनालिसिस फॉर द फॉलोइंग टेक्स्ट देख अन्य टेक्स्ट भी कंटेंट एनालिसिस करि परिबो जिभड़ी like the kind tree or our national celebrations and festivals, computers, a brave Indian in space of class 7 ये सब क्लास 7 रो टॉपिक अच्छी ताकू नहीं पार कंटेंट एनालिसिस पई आ कंटेंट एनालिसिस नहीं तापर ताकू से एसजीपी रे डिवाइड करी ताकू प्रतिटी एसजीपी पई लेसन प्लान भी डेवलप करि पारो आउ इन इंडियन म्यूजिक एंड डांस एंड हाउ मच लैंड डज अ मैन नीड ऑफ क्लास 8 ए गुडी को मध्य नहीं यू कैन मेक कंटेंट एनालिसिस देन यू कैन फॉर्मुलेट लर्निंग और इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ठीक अच्छी लर्निंग फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ लर्निंग और इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स केमती फॉर्मुलेशन कर ये बहुत इंपोर्टेंट अच्छी आगे इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स तैयारी करबा तापर ही you can go through content analysis then after that you can make a lesson plan. You have done an exercise in the activity relating to the objectives of teaching learning prose text. Those objectives are very much broad based and general in nature. A objective ta broad based एवं general in nature. But after content analysis pare you have divided the whole text. Content analysis pare you have divided the whole text into some sense group paragraphs. And you know how many periods are required to complete the text. आमे जानिले जे अकबर मीट्स बीरबल रे आमे 3टा सेंस ग्रुप पैराग्राफ बनेले बा एसजीबी 1 2 3 बनेले आमे जानी परिले जे वी नीड 3 periods to complete the text or complete the topic. For each period you are supposed to develop a lesson plan. For each period or each SGP you are supposed to develop a lesson plan. Each lesson plan is guided by a set of structured learning instructional objectives. और सबू लेसन प्लान किभଳି गाइडेड हम ना जो इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स आमे तैयारी करछु बा जो उद्देश्य आमे माने बनैछु बा को उद्देश्य प्रतिटी उद्देश्यटा माने आमे इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स अछि सेही तारी द्वारा गाइडेड हम सबू लेसन प्लान. Objectives developed on the basis of identified contents in the SGP. Now let's take up the task of formulating the learning instructional objectives of first SGP. देखो first SGP Akbar meets Birbal so first sense group paragraph ro आमे कौन करिबा make the let the text let's take up the task of first SGP of the text Akbar meets Birbal. The first sets of objectives are in general as done in activity which holds good for any prose lesson. The second sets of objectives are specifics based on SGP. Second sets of objective टा specific थाए और सेटा SGP को base करी है थाए which can be realized within given period of time 40 to 45 minutes भितरे से objectives को आमको पूरा करिवार अच्छी बा period भितरे ही करिवा पड़ा आमी जानिबा what are the general objectives and what are the specific objectives of teaching learning process. General objectives are number one, to develop the fourfold language skills, listening, speaking, reading, writing. Enrich their stock of vocabularies, नुआ vocabularies से माने सीखिबे बा जानिबे. Make various uses of language और language रो various usage को से माने जानिबे क्यों भावरे language रो usage करी परिबे बा language द्वारा कौन से माने practical life रे कौन usage ही पारे से माने जानिबे. Our specific objectives are there. The learners read and comprehend the text. पिला माने पढ़िबे एवं टेक्स्ट को बुझिबे एटा हला specific objectives. They describe the character. The learners can describe the character of Akbar and his 9 gems. पिला माने learners माने describe करि परिबे अकबर एवं तांकर 9 gems मानकर character को. They can explain why Akbar loved wise men and their company. आउ से माने एटा भी explain करि परिबे वर्णना करि परिबे जे अकबर काहे कि wise man मानम को एवं तांकर कंपनी को बा तांकर संगत को भलो पाउथिले. They can use the words such as wise, scholars, gem, honor, advice in framing sentences. से एई बड़ी words को नहीं कि sentence frame करि भी परिबे सिखिबे. They can derive the different forms of words in the text such as humor, humorous, wise, wiser, wisest, respectable, scholarly. They can read से माने loud reading और silent reading भी सीखी परिबे. They can read the text aloud with correct pronunciation, stress, pause, intonation and to enjoy the topic. When you have formulated the specific objectives, जेतेबेले तमे specific objectives formulate करि दउछ, you are now on the way to develop a detailed lesson plan with the activities. Out तापरे you can be able to develop a detailed lesson plan with the activities for pre-reading activities, file reading activities and post-reading activities. बा pre-reading stages से कौन activities नहीं आजिबो, file reading stages से कौन activities नहीं आजिबो, post reading stage रे कौन activity नहीं आजिबो, तापको you can develop the activities. These objectives are the guidelines for you and all along the process of planning the detailed lesson plan. A successful and effective teacher has a clear vision of his and her classroom process. You have to develop a lesson plan in a unit 10. Unit 10 रे unit lesson plan develop करिवा कथा तमे तो पढ़ी सारछ हमर फर्स्ट unit 10 टा पढ़िथिले आमे जानिछु. सो नाउ आमे पार्ट 3 को या पर पीरियड रे पढ़िबा. टिल देन गुड बाय.